personally very proud of these telecenters. They play a key role in my government's work to empower all Fijians by providing them access to the digital world. How? Because for the first time, telecenters provide free access to one of the greatest advances of the modern age, the internet. Today, you will be joining their ranks. This telecenter will give ordinary Fijians in Serua and Namosi access to all aspects of the telecommunications revolution that is transforming people's lives the world over. This center will provide free internet and data access for hundreds of people in the 12 surrounding villages. It will be used by Lomeri school children during school hours and by the rest of the community after hours and on weekends. Before we started this program, Fiji lagged behind the rest of the world in accessing the latest telecommunications technology. No longer. My government is connecting Fijians to the world as part of its commitment to deliver services to ordinary people everywhere in Fiji. As I keep saying wherever I go, service delivery is my government's most important task. To not just promise better access to things like electricity, water, clean water, affordable housing, education and transport, but to deliver it.
I think this internet helps us as Form 7 students, especially in the research, especially in projects too. Helps us a lot in the projects. Like instead of going getting information from your other families, we get it right from internet. So it's really like we get a lot of information, and I'd like to acknowledge the government because they've helped us a lot. They've thought of us, and I'm sure this will also benefits all of students of the school. So really, we are really thanking the government, so thank you.
Before the telecenter, we faced a lot of struggles, especially with the research whereby we had to miss school and go all the way to either to Nabua or Suva to do our research on projects, which wasted a lot of time and a lot of money especially. I'd like to thank the government for their help in the opening of the new telecenter.